Kazi ni Kazi, brought to you by the Ministry of Industrialization. The Ministry of Industrialization, tunaimarisha viwanda.
Wananchi wenye bidii hawachoki kutafuta riziki zao. Usinicheke, naendeleza gurudumu la maendeleo. Kazi ni kazi, kazi ni kazi.
Kisii region is predominantly an agricultural area, with key among the region's most popular crops being bananas. Following the construction of a banana processing plant, the region, which is endowed with banana growing, is now set to redefine banana production in Kisii and beyond.
It is supposed to serve as a center for training and demonstration on banana processing technologies. It's also going to act as a center for business incubation. We are going to incubate entrepreneurs.
An idea of the Kenya Industrial Research and Development Institute, the plant has been established to enhance value addition and improve market competitiveness.
You can take the dried bananas and then you can mill them into flour. Then from bananas you can also be able to make banana crisps. Then you can also make a number of beverages from bananas. You can make a banana juice, and that is made from the ripe bananas. And you can also make a wine from that banana juice.
The need to establish the processing plant came at a time when banana farmers were experiencing losses and poor pay.
The farmers were complaining about very poor prices for their produce, lack of market, and they saw this value addition by processing as an opportunity.
To reverse this trend, the Kenya Industrial Research and Development Institute has teamed up with a youth group in the region to facilitate supply of raw bananas needed for production.
Currently, we are working with a certain youth group called the Nyangorora Banana Youth Group that has been involved in banana processing using some rudimentary technologies, and we are intending to incubate them.
Aska Nyakwara is one of the group members, and as she says, this technology would not have come at a better time.
Hiki kiwanda ambacho ni Kirdi kimetusaidia sana kwa kutupatia teknolojia ambayo inaongeza dhamana kwa ndizi itaweza kukaa mwaka mmoja, miezi mitatu bila kuharibika.
A first of its kind, this technology, if adopted and replicated in other banana growing regions, it's believed will create opportunities for the locals and consequently better standards of living.
This technology, you can say, is available for those entrepreneurs who are interested. We can assist them to acquire similar technology and set up similar enterprises.
But even as stakeholders work towards that goal, the task now is getting the community to replicate it.
We've tried as much as we can to inform the local community that this project is a pilot plant. It's not a fully fledged factory.
Nonetheless, the Industrial Research Institute is hopeful, if commercialized, this technology will be significant in delivering the country's Vision 2030 development plan.
Our role in the establishment of pilot plants in various parts of the country is to support the people, the communities, the self-help groups, entrepreneurs to be able to establish enterprises that can be nurtured and that can create meaningful employment, that can create wealth even in those rural areas.
The plant, which can process at least 2 tons of bananas daily, is a remarkable milestone that the manufacturing industry cannot simply ignore.
Kazi ni Kazi.
Vision 2030 envisages that we must start adding value to our local raw material resources. And so that bananas, instead of being exported raw, instead of being marketed raw, instead of going to waste in many cases, we have technology now that is to be used to value add, to diversify in terms of product range, to increase income to the farmers, and to create employment as well as wealth.
Kazi ni Kazi, brought to you by the Ministry of Industrialization. The Ministry of Industrialization, tunaimarisha viwanda.
Wananchi wenye bidii hawachoki kutafuta riziki zao. Usinicheke